Puff, puff, pass, Miley. Miley Cyrus was photographed on the balcony of her hotel in Miami inhaling from what appears to be a rather suspect-looking cigarette. The 20-year-old was spotted relaxing with friends on the balcony as she tried to stay incognito with a black beanie and sunglasses. And this spotting couldn't have come at a more poignant time, as just days ago the singer released a track with the most notorious smoker of all, Snoop D-O-double-G, wait, hang on, scratch that, with Snoop L-I-O-N, all about smoking, titled Ashtrays and Heartbreaks. The song will feature on Snoop's album set to drop later this month, and the chorus of the catchy tune is Miley singing, "Let's fill up all those ashtrays." Right. So far, her rep has yet to comment on the pictures, but judging by the way she's taking that drag, it's going to be hard to believe that it's just tobacco. Well, whatever it is in that suspicious-looking cigarette, she sure does seem to be filling up those ashtrays.